You can also listen to success audios or watch videos. As Brian Tracy said, you can turn your vehicle into mobile university. Audio learning has been described as the most important advance in education since the invention of the printing press. According to the University of Southern California, you can get the equivalent of a full-time university degree by listening to educational audio programs as you drive from place to place. So turn your car into university on wheels. When we were teenagers, we got in the habit of driving around with our friends and listening to music, and we formed the association that driving around was for friends and fun. There are many adults who never got over this conditioned behavior. Instead, at a time of incredible competition, information overload, and obsolescence of knowledge, they are still floating through life driving around, failing to take advantage of one of the very best learning platforms ever discovered. So don't let this happen to you. Never let your car be running without educational audio programs playing. Make every minute count, because one great idea or technique can change the course of your career and dramatically increase your income. Express gratitude.